All right, so we may not celebrate it to the extent they do in the States and in North America, but Halloween is on the horizon. And our friends, I'm kind of skeptical about the use of that word, but our friends from Puzzle It have a haunted house for you to explore. We're going to have a chat with creative director behind Duppy Story in a bit, but Dwayne checked it out for us.
So for some reason, Kia decided to bring me to this Duppy Story, haunted house, Puzzle It, on Red Hills Road. And I'll tell you something, I'm afraid of them little knick-knack thing here now. So I look up at them and tell them about rolling car. So they have 9 rooms, 9 houses, so to speak. And I'm going to check out a couple of them. So if you don't hear from me, I have a weak heart and I have a weak bladder. So one of them I'll go tonight. If the house not scare me itself, Kia definitely not scare me. Oh, watch it, no. I'm not afraid, I'm not nervous, I'm not scared. My palms are just sweat and my hand and shake. Got one more room for going at tonight. And for the record, I'm not afraid. Right? We just have to pretend. What must we go left?
Yeah. No man, continue, no man. I can't do it. Yeah, come on.
No man, tell you something. I feel like my blood are gone. Go wait up myself a while ago. Oh no, I'm strong. See, if this was anything to go by, me now come back. But you should try it out. You're not afraid of a little scare here and there. It's gonna be fun. You're gonna add a lot more things. So come Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so yeah. You get to scare your life. They have great actors. Trust me. Even on the walk back, I was scared and I knew the rooms. Still getting goosebumps. And I walked alone and get to drink. You can imagine that? Need something stronger than that.